Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into GoDaddy Bookkeeping Beginner Guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type GoDaddy Bookkeeping into the search bar. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. In the search results, locate the official GoDaddy Bookkeeping website. Click on the link to open the website. On the GoDaddy Bookkeeping homepage, look for the Sign In button. This button is typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the Sign In button. You will be redirected to the Login page. Here, enter your registered email address in the appropriate field. After inputting your email, move to the Password field. Enter your password carefully. If you want to stay signed in, check the Remember Me option. Once you've filled in your credentials, click the Sign In button. Wait for a few moments as the page loads your account. If your login details are correct, you will be taken to your GoDaddy Bookkeeping dashboard. In case you forget your password, click the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via your email. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard features. Explore the interface to find the tools you need for bookkeeping. You are now ready to manage your finances with GoDaddy Bookkeeping. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.